Having bagged a win already, I was beginning to grow slightly fond of my old Suzuki. And evidently Jack had fallen completely in love. Look at him bouncing along. But I'd be lying if I said things were perfect.
I can hear my subframe slowly collapsing behind me. Probably not the best thing in the world, but I don't think it'll bother me. Just an annoying noise.
And my subframe was far from our only issue. Jack's Honda seemed to think it was a two-stroke, and Anton's electric start hadn't been working from the get-go.
Suzuki, what else did you expect?
But Jack's biggest problem, however, was his throttle control, which basically seemed to be non-existent. And then of course there was Kynan on his stupid little 65. But we were just going to have to put those terrible hardships aside for now, because our next test was upon us. And it was the cross-country challenge. We were doing New Zealand rules too, with the dreaded Le Mans style start.
Alright, so this is just a classic hare scramble track. We're going to do time trial laps. Kynan, you're up first. 5 metres behind your bike, dead engine.
Yep.
Let's, here's Matt.
Guessing it wasn't a successful fix then.
Blew the head gasket.
I told you it was
And then the yeah, we think the core's too.
So, with all hopes of a late Matt entry extinguished, confidence levels were brimming.
Alright, Con, you're going to beat me on this one, mate, so...
Nah, doubt it. This thing's not working out the way I expected
I'm
it to.
losing at the 5 metre run.
Yeah.
And if I'm being honest, I was feeling a little bit anxious about this one too. Because the DR would be in its element out here. And if I were to lose, well, I couldn't exactly blame the bike, could I?
And go.
Off he goes. I love the side stand.
Thankfully though, Kynan was up first.
Fairly successful start. Oh, I've already gone the wrong way.
It's a strange line into the first corner.
So slippery around here. And all these tree roots. Too much for these little wheels.
Oh, this is quite nerve-wracking.
It is though.
Will she start though, Jack?
Yeah.
Alright.
He'd better hope so, because he was up next. And longer gearing wouldn't be able to save him this time.
Off he goes. Pulls over. Block your ears, everybody. It started so quick, man. Listen to it. Just straight into the fence, eh? Full far.
Despite their small wheels, both Short Ass and Numpty were pounding through the trees at a good pace. And it was absolutely crucial that they did so. Because the DRs were coming.
You won't be able to hear your bike, man.
Nah, I know. And I made it louder too.
And the trees were the only place they really stood a chance.
There's a pretty big one. Stood up completely.
Late in the section, however, they started falling apart. And soon enough, their worst nightmare became a reality.
Oh, that's a good start.
Farmer John got off to a bloody flyer.
Oh, it's bloody deadly.
He was eating away at their advantage. Fast.
Oh no.
Then Jack hit an all-time low. But just when it was looking like Kynan had at least third place wrapped up,
No.
his bike seized. And then immediately unseized again, and everything was fine.
Don't know what that was.
Nor to KTM probably. But anyway, back at the start line, I was on point, waiting.
Alright, this is my race to lose. This bike's the perfect bike for the job.
And I was feeling my most confident yet. But one concern did still loom. Would the thing start properly this time? Yep. All four of us were getting along at a good pace now. But in this terrain, the 250S was just masterful.
Oh, that was a big tree root.
That said, it still wasn't going to be a walk in the park. Because Anton, for one, was displaying some serious commitment on the old farm bike. Check this out. And up ahead, Kynan had reached the final make or break hill climb. Unfortunately though, he broke.
Don't slip down.
And in one section, lost all of the advantage he had over Jack. Fortunately though, Jack's brain is the size of a peanut.
Go up. Oh, where do I go? That way.
So despite having done a look lap 5 minutes earlier, he couldn't remember where the 2-kilometre-long track went. It was well and truly a battle of the DRs now. And the good news was, Farmer John had cleared a path through the log for me with his bull bar.
Okay, that's a convenient one.
The bad news,
Whoa! She hooked up!
the DR had too much bloody power for me.
Big downhill. You're getting caught. I can hear someone.
That someone was Jack, who thanks to his monumental track cut, was now right on Kynan's tail. But remarkably, Anton had caught them both, and he wasn't showing any signs of relenting soon. But as we know, at this elite level, one mistake is all you get. I, of course, had no idea, however, so was still pushing. Hard.
Come on, old girl. Oh, she doesn't top out very well. Unaware of my advantage,
I was prepared to risk everything, so I went straight for the steepest, shortest and gnarliest line up the hill.
Yes, good girl!
And it paid off.
Oh, that was perfect. I've got the win in the bag now. Gonna make it down here.
Sending it.
If anybody beat me, they cut the bloody track.
Well, as it so happens, we did have one of those.
I got lost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you take the hotline up the hill?
The hotline, yeah, basically went straight up and then I got stuck.
Oh yeah, I got
I was
stuck
running
too.
along beside my bike.
Yeah, I had to push her up.
My god, that was a good run. I went
Cool.
straight up the hill where the cone is, like just vertical.
Okay.
Oh, and I got stuck on the log. I just went around it, somebody smashed it out of the way by the time I got there.
Well, that's cheating.
Yeah. What are the times, timers? Do we know?
Okay, so Kynan 508, Jack 427.
Oh my god.
He cut the track.
Oh bullshit.
Half the track.
Did not. Did he?
Yeah.
No. Did you do it on purpose? Nah.
No, he got lost.
Nah. I was doing circles like over there. We did do a look lap, you're aware of that? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Anton 359.
Oh, you still beat him. Yeah, I didn't cut all of it. And what did I do?
Ash 333.
Oh yes, you were bloody close considering. Jesus. Yeah, I think it could have been the pushing I had to do up the hill. Oh, did
yeah.
you get stuck?
Almost got bit by 200. Jeez.
Oh, but they're Suzuki's, mate. They're just so fast. Like, we got the same oil cooler. We probably
we're
share
good to
50% of the parts.
Another dominant performance from the DRs saw their lead extending further, and you'll notice that I've not only disqualified Jack from this competition, but also docked him 3 points for cheating, which means Matt inherits 4th and is now ahead of Jack in points.
Let's hit it.
Our next challenge though was about to mix things up big time. It would push all 4 of these bikes up to and beyond their limits.